Let's check out this one. Just in it, unique, specialty, and classics. It's a beauty, 1988 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme Classic Brougham. And listen to this, actual mile car, 37,662 miles showing on it right now. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirms actual mileage, original window sticker, original manuals. Let's take a little closer look. Underneath the hood, 5-liter 307 Oldsmobile V8. That's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission, 204R to be exact. Nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes, AC. Check out the still pictures on this one. You'll be able to see the underside, the interior, the engine bay, the trunk. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. One more time, if you're watching this on YouTube, there's a link down below in the description. Click on it. It's going to take you to our website. You can always call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the correct wheels, white wall radials. And again, check out that still picture of the window sticker. You'll be able to see exactly how this car was equipped. You're also going to see the owner's manuals, some miscellaneous original paperwork. Very cool car. Of course, original black metallic. It would have been considered 19U, I believe was the paint code. And as you can see, up and down the passenger side of this car, it's not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Granted, it's a 1988. It's been driven a little bit. There may be an imperfection here or there, but as you can see, paint shows well, nice reflection to it. Interior, I believe they would have called this maple, but deep wine, burgundy interior. We'll get around to the driver's side, check that out a little closer here in a minute. But stock interior, Landau vinyl roof. Of course, the last year of this body style Cutlass Supreme, so it's considered the classic. And then if you notice that interior with the plush seats, this would have been considered a Brougham. States that right on the window sticker also. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Sorry about a little noise of the vacuum in the background there. We do have the detail department working next door, getting some more cars ready to have their pictures taken and videos done. Speaking of videos, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the cars within them are available to purchase online or right off our showroom floor. As you can see, up and down the driver's side of this, also free of any major nicks, dings, scratches. Stick around to the very end of this video. We'll take this car for a drive. Jason will take it out, show you how it goes down the road. But first, we'll take a little closer look at the interior. We're also going to start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. I mentioned the Brougham. You can see here on this padded seat cushion on the rear. Now, I do want to point out something as far as this cloth. If you watch these videos before, you know when I get into the blues and burgundies, certain ones are going to want to wash out when I get right on top of them. Right there is the true color of that interior. It's a deep wine. May have been called maple if I remember right. This one also has the 1SC option package, so you're going to see tilt column, cruise control, pulse wipers, and of course power windows in this one also. All right, exact miles, there it is, 37,662. Start it up, let you hear it run. We'll take a peek underneath the hood. First, top of the dash, not cracked, sun faded, checked, anything like that. You can tell this thing was stored indoors. AM, FM cassette player. Let's go ahead and power that up. Let's check it out. Radio working as it should. So no surprises on the interior either. Headliner looks good. The slip around to the back, so you can hear this run. I guess what you'd expect out of an 88 Olds with a 307 in it. Let's slip up to the front. I'm going to pause this a second. We'll get the hood popped, check out that engine bay, and then, like I said earlier, stick around to the very end. We're going to take this car for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. All right, hood popped. See the hood liner? Pretty clean and tidy there. And engine bay. It's a very stock looking. I did notice there was a key fob with this and little speakers, so it appears that it has had a alarm system added. Other than that, it's pretty stock underneath there. AC has been converted from the R12 to 134. You can look at those fittings. Runs smooth, looks good, sounds good. How about that? Low mile, clean Carfax. 1988 Olds Cutlass Supreme Classic Brougham. Stick around. Jason's going to take it for a drive. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1988 Oldsmobile Cutlass. Very, very nice condition. This is an automatic on the column. Let's see how she does on the highway. Now our fuel gauge is reading about 1/8 of a tank. The speedometer is working well. Acceleration is very good in this car. The turn signal indicators both work. Cruise control also functioning on this car. Factory stereo working as it should. I think the left channels are louder than the right channels, but it does work. I have not tested the cassette, but there is a cassette player. Blower motor works, wipers work as well. Smooth braking on this car. Nice split bench seat. This is it's cloth, but it's almost like a shortcut velour, I would say. That really soft material that was great in the 80s. This car corner is pretty flat. I think they had some good sway bars on these. And just a nice highway ride. Factory horn working well as it should. Pillow top additions to this driver's seat and passenger seat for lots of driving comfort. Take a look at all the pictures and learn all the little details of this Oldsmobile Cutlass at uniqueclassiccars.com.